The hunt for a normal idle continues. Hey guys, my name is Mate, welcome to the channel. If you want to see more E39 videos, press subscribe, followed by notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. I'm still having problem with my idle. I have exchanged the battery, checked the earth connection under the plenum, exchanged the fuel filter. Reading out the codes, it seems that Vanos 1 code is static, it does not really clear. What I want to do today is to verify my Vanos Solenoid's function, which means I will have to remove the Vanos on bank 1 because my failure is Vanos 1, which is bank 1. And we will clean it out, exchange some O-rings, all that good stuff. Let's get to it. According to service instruction, you have to drain the coolant, but as far as I can tell, the only reason to do that is to remove this hose to have access to the screws, as well the same for the other side. So I will try without removing that hose. It's a number 6. I think I could reach from this side. Nice fit. Some towels under there first. Okay, I jammed in some paper towels. Okay, first pull this out. Wow, it's really long. And now the magic. Okay, some leaking. Let's hope O-rings will fix that. There is a gasket here, you don't want to lose it. Let's disconnect the solenoid. It should be this one. Yep. Now removing the solenoids, I saw two methods. One is with tool like this. Grab it, wiggle it out. Another one is with a flathead screwdriver. I will try the flathead screwdriver method. Start with the bottom one. Okay, one is out. The other bottom. The second bottom is out, and now the top ones. So as you can see, mine has a green and a brown O-rings, so this was tried to be repaired at some point. But if I look at this one, the O-ring is kind of messed up. This O-ring does not look great, for sure. I'm not sure if this is causing anything related to my idle. As well, this is missing a part. Unfortunately, I have not bought another one because it's cost a lot. So I will have to write it out and then exchange this down on the line. Let's start with the basic O measurement. 0.33, 0.33, 0.33. But here it's nothing. Only at this point. That's strange. Here as well nothing. Only on specific points. 0.33. So all 4 is 0.33. However, if I try to measure like here and here, it's nothing. But if there is a little bump, I measure from the little bump, then I got 0.33. It seems to me like there is a disconnect between this little bump here and the rest, which is strange. This whole thing should be the same no matter where I measure it. Okay, now let's do a function test. Function test, I just got a 9-volt battery hooked up with 2 wires. This one is opening, closing. 2 does something, 2 doesn't. This is not great. And the 2 which does something is very weak. So I will blast it a couple of times with cleaner and the air. Try and clean them out. They're starting to get back to life, apart from this one. This doesn't seem to work, but they are making a much better sound now, so I will clean it up and reflow the solder joints. This is after the cleanup. This is the solenoid which did not work, and looking closer, maybe the camera will pick it up, you can see that there is a crack in the solder joint that goes all the way, which would explain why this solenoid did not work. Let's verify if it's any better now. So we are now getting a reading from 2 random points. If I'm moving around the solder joint, I'm still getting a reading. I move this probe, then I'm still getting a reading. So let's see if all the solenoids are now operational. Yeah, working. Working. Working and working. So now all the solenoids seems to be operational. Solder joints repaired. It's not pretty. Unfortunately, I'm really bad at soldering. I have removed the O-rings as well, new O-rings, and then this will go back into the car. Looking nice with new O-rings, ready for reassembly. I really hope this was the problem. All that's left is try it out. Now all the oil is removed from that Vanos, so I'm expecting one loud startup, like really bad. Well, it's running. I finished the trial round and we are standing still. Engine is warm, nothing is vibrating, everything is smooth, so I called it a success. I hope the video was helpful. If you want to see more E39 videos, press subscribe for the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching.